Every project, no matter how well planned, is bound to encounter conflicts. These disagreements can arise from differences in opinions, priorities, or even misunderstandings among team members. While conflict might sound negative, it's actually a natural part of teamwork and when managed well can lead to better outcomes. In this video, we'll explore why conflicts happen in projects, how to recognize them early, and most importantly, how to resolve them effectively. Let's start by understanding the roots of conflict in project environments and why addressing them is crucial for project success. Conflicts in projects often stem from a variety of sources. These can include unclear roles, competing priorities, limited resources, or differences in working styles. Sometimes it's simply a matter of miscommunication or unmet expectations. By identifying the root causes early, project managers and team members can address issues before they escalate. Recognizing these triggers is the first step in building a more harmonious and productive project environment. Conflicts go unresolved, they can have a significant negative impact on a project. Productivity drops, morale suffers, and deadlines may be missed. Team members might become disengaged or even leave the project altogether. On the other hand, addressing conflict promptly can strengthen relationships and improve project outcomes. Understanding the potential consequences of ignoring conflict is key to motivating teams to tackle issues head-on. Spotting the early signs of conflict can make all the difference. These signs might include subtle changes in communication, such as team members avoiding each other, increased sarcasm, or a sudden drop in collaboration. By staying alert to these cues, project leaders can intervene before minor disagreements turn into major disputes. Early recognition allows for timely and effective conflict resolution strategies. Effective communication is at the heart of conflict resolution. Open, honest, and respectful dialogue helps team members express their concerns and listen to others' perspectives. Encouraging regular check-ins and feedback sessions can prevent misunderstandings and foster a culture of transparency. When everyone feels heard, conflicts are less likely to escalate and can be resolved more constructively. Active listening is a powerful tool in resolving conflicts. It involves giving full attention to the speaker, acknowledging their feelings, and asking clarifying questions. By practicing active listening, team members show empathy and understanding, which can de-escalate tense situations. This approach builds trust and opens the door to finding mutually acceptable solutions. Every team member brings unique experiences and viewpoints to a project. Recognizing and valuing these differences is essential for effective conflict resolution. By encouraging team members to share their perspectives, project leaders can uncover underlying issues and foster a more inclusive environment. This not only helps resolve current conflicts but also prevents future misunderstandings. Collaboration is key when resolving project conflicts. Instead of focusing on who's right or wrong, teams should work together to find solutions that satisfy everyone's needs. Brainstorming sessions, group discussions, and consensus-building activities can help generate creative ideas and foster a sense of ownership over the outcome. This approach leads to stronger, more resilient teams. Any conflicts arise from unclear or unmet expectations. By setting clear goals, roles, and responsibilities at the outset, project leaders can minimize confusion and prevent misunderstandings. Regularly revisiting these expectations ensures everyone stays aligned and can address any changes proactively. Clarity is a powerful tool for preventing conflict before it starts. Negotiation is an essential skill for resolving project conflicts. It involves finding common ground, making compromises, and ensuring all parties feel their needs are considered. Effective negotiators remain calm, listen actively, and focus on solutions rather than problems. Developing these skills can help teams navigate disagreements and reach agreements that benefit the entire project. Sometimes, conflicts can't be resolved internally and require the help of a neutral third party. Mediators can facilitate discussions, ensure fairness, and help teams reach a resolution. Bringing in an outside perspective can break deadlocks and restore trust among team members. Knowing when to seek mediation is a valuable skill for any project manager. After resolving a conflict, it's important to document the agreements reached. This ensures everyone is clear on the outcomes and can refer back if questions arise later. Written agreements help maintain accountability and provide a reference point for future discussions. Proper documentation is a simple yet effective way to keep projects on track. Every conflict is an opportunity to learn and improve. By reflecting on past disagreements, teams can identify patterns and develop better strategies for the future. Regular debriefs and lessons learned sessions help teams grow stronger and more resilient. Embracing a learning mindset turns challenges into valuable experiences. Positive team culture reduces the likelihood of conflict and makes it easier to resolve issues when they arise. Encouraging respect, trust, and open communication creates an environment where team members feel safe to express their opinions. Leaders play a crucial role in modeling these behaviors and setting the tone for the entire project. There are several styles of conflict resolution, including avoiding, accommodating, competing, compromising, and collaborating. Each style has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best approach depends on the situation. Understanding these styles helps teams choose the most effective strategy for each conflict they encounter. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and manage your own emotions as well as those of others. High emotional intelligence helps team members stay calm under pressure, empathize with colleagues, and respond thoughtfully to conflict. Developing this skill is essential for effective conflict resolution and overall project success. Every team has members with different personalities, and some may be more challenging to work with than others. Understanding how to interact with difficult personalities, whether they are overly assertive, passive, or resistant to change, can prevent conflicts from escalating. Patience, empathy, and clear communication are key to managing these situations effectively. With more teams working remotely, new challenges in conflict resolution have emerged. Miscommunications can happen more easily without face-to-face interaction, and it's harder to read body language or tone. Using video calls, clear written communication, and regular check-ins can help bridge the gap and resolve conflicts effectively, even from a distance. Prevention is always better than cure. By fostering open communication, setting clear expectations, and encouraging feedback, teams can minimize the chances of conflict arising in the first place. Regular team-building activities and training sessions also help build trust and understanding among team members, creating a more harmonious project environment. Let's look at a real-world example. In a recent project, two departments clashed over resource allocation. By bringing both sides together for a facilitated discussion, encouraging open dialogue, and focusing on shared goals, the team was able to reach a compromise. This not only resolved the immediate conflict but also improved collaboration for future projects. Conflict is an inevitable part of any project, but it doesn't have to be destructive. By understanding its causes, recognizing early signs, and applying effective resolution strategies, teams can turn conflict into an opportunity for growth. Embracing conflict as a chance to learn and improve leads to stronger teams and more successful projects. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best teams don't avoid conflict, they resolve it together.